Breaking into the real estate market does not always require a large payment. Here are some effective strategies to start earning from real estate with no money down. Welcome to my channel. 1. Wholesaling. It involves finding properties at a low price and then selling the contract to an investor at a higher price. You don't need to buy the property yourself. Instead, you act as a middleman. The key is to find motivated sellers who are willing to sell their property at a discount, and then find a buyer willing to pay a bit more. 2. Partnerships. It can allow you to leverage other people's resources. You might bring the knowledge and time, while your partner brings the capital. This can be highly effective if both parties are aligned in their goals. 3. Lease options. It allows you to control property and generate income from it without purchasing it outright. You lease a property with the option to buy it later at agreed price. 4. Seller financing. This occurs when the property owner acts as the lender, allowing you to make payments directly to them. This can be a win-win if the seller is motivated and you are unable to secure traditional financing. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. The platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with small amounts of money. This method pulls funds from multiple investors to purchase or develop properties. If this is your first time of you watching my video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And please click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.